Good morning, students. Today we are listening to the first lesson in Preparatory 3 Algebra Cartesian Product. Will be with you, Miss May Ali. First, we talk about the product, not about the Cartesian product. What is the meaning of product? Product means multiply or by or times. 3 by 2, like 3 by 2 equals what? 6. This is an element by element, or number by number, or digit by digit, equal digit. But if we have a set, 3 set by 2 set. If we have a product between set and set, this is called Cartesian product. This is called Cartesian product. And the answer will be 2 and 3 as ordered pair, because 2 is 3 and 2 as ordered pair. Why? Because 3 is the element of x and 2 is the element of y. So they form an ordered pair called 3 and 2. We should know some properties of ordered pair. What is the property of ordered pair? The ordered pair can't be arranged. So 3 and 2 not equals 2 and 3. Why? Because x here is called 3 and y called 2. But here x equals 2 and y equals 3. So they are not equal. Fine. Let's take an example on ordered pair. If I have A and 2 equals B, 3 and B. Where is the first projection? The first projection for x here called A. And the first projection here called 3. So A equals 3. Where is the second projection? The second projection is B. And the second here is 2. So B equals 2. Let's take more example. Number 2. If we have A minus 7 and 26 equals negative 2 and B power 3 minus 1. What we shall do? We should write the first projection equals the first projection. So A minus 7 equals negative 2. Solve it as an equation. The negative 7 go to the other side with the opposite sign. So A equals negative 2 plus 7. So A equals 5. In the other side, what is the second projection? The second projection is B power 3 minus 1. We should start with the unknown. What is the unknown? 26 or B power 3 minus 1? No, B power 3 minus 1. So we should start with B power 3 minus 1. Equals what? 26. And we can solve it as an equation. Negative 1 go to the other side with the opposite direction is positive, with the opposite sign is positive. So B power 3 equals 26 plus 1. So B power 3 equals 27. What is the operation we can do to take out the power 3? What? The operation take the 3. The cube root in the both sides. The cube root here take the power 3 and B only. Cube root 27 is 3. So B will be equals 3. Let's take another example. If we have A and 7 equals B power 2 and B. We should divide the paper into 2 parts. What is the first projection? A equals what? B power 2. What is the second projection? B equals what? Equals 7. But in the other side, we have two unknowns. What is the two unknowns? A and B. What we shall do? We take the other unknown from the other side, from this B, and put instead B 7. So A equals 7 power 2, so equal 49. If we want to be sure that my answer true, we should write A equals 49 and B equals 7. 7 power 2 equals what? Equals 49, so I'm true. We can take example on Cartesian product, not on ordered pair. Let's take an example. If x equals 1 and 2 and y equals 3 and 4 and 5. Find number 1, x Cartesian product y. X Cartesian product y means each element in x has an image in y and take elements from y. So x by y equals 1 with 3, 1 and 4, 1 and 5. After 1 we should take 2, 2 and 3, 2 and 4, 2 and 5. We can represent this Cartesian product by two ways. What is the two ways? The first way called arrow diagram. And the second way called Cartesian diagram. The arrow diagrams between x-axis or x elements and y elements. What is the elements of x? The elements of x is 1 and 2. The elements of y is 3 and 4 and 5. Each element in x go to element from y. So 1 go to 3 and go to 4 and go to 5 and 2 go to 3, go to 4, go to 5. What about Cartesian diagram? In Cartesian diagram we should write the y-axis in the vertical place and the x-axis in the horizontal place. And write the elements of x, layer 1 and 2. The elements of y, layer 3 and 4 and 5. And make the Cartesian product and put the order pair. What is the first order pair? 1 and 3. We should go to in a y-axis in a horizontal and up to 3. So this order pair called 1 and 3. The other 1 and 4. 1 up to 4. 1 and 4. 1 and 5. 1 up to 5. 1 and 5. And this element also 2 and 3. 2 and 4, 2 and 5. This is the two ways of representing the Cartesian product. Let's take very important rules. What is these rules? Firstly, if I have x Cartesian product y, what about the number of elements in x by y? N means number of elements. The number of elements in Cartesian product of x by y equals n of x by n of y. In this example, x can be 1 or 2, and y can become 3, 4 or 5. What is the number of x, or the number of elements in x? Can it 1, 2, 2 elements. What is the number of y? 1, 2, 3, 3 elements. 2 by 3 equals what? 6. What about 6? 6 means that the number of elements of Cartesian product means 6 ordered pairs. The answer will be 6 ordered pairs. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, it's true. So this rule can make me sure that my answer is true. طيب من هنا ممكن اقول ان nx equals nx by y over ny. For example, if nx by y equals 6 and ny equals 3, then nx equals what? We should divide nx by y over ny. 6 over 3 equals what? Equals 2. Let's take another rule. This is the first rule. The second rule is x by 5. What is the meaning of x by 5? Means a set, any set by empty set. Any set by empty set, the set should the empty set and the answer will be empty also. So the answer will be 5. What about nx by 5? nx by 5 means n, the number of elements of x by 5. What is the x by 5? Equals what? Equals 5. We have no numbers of 5. 5 has no numbers, so the answer will be equals 0. Okay? Let's take the last example. If x equals 1 and 4, y equals 3 and 5 and 6. Find number 1, x power 2. Number 2, nx power 2. Number 3, nx by y. Let's take the first example or the first question. X power 2. What's the meaning of x power 2? Like 2 power 2. What is the meaning of 2 power 2? 2 power 2 means 2 multiply 2. So x power 2 means what? X multiply x or x times x. طيب أنا عندي 1 only x. طب بعمل إيه في الحالة دي؟ Write imaginary x over 8, 1 and 4. So we can answer this as x and y. X by x like x by y. So 1 and 1. 1 and 4. 4 and 1. And 4 and 4. What about nx power 2? nx power 2 means the number of elements in x power 2. What is the number of elements in x? 2 digits. Or 2 numbers, 2 digits, or 2 elements. 2 elements power 2 equals 4. This 4, sure my answer, my before answer. اللي هو كام؟ عندي كام order pair؟ 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 يبقى طلعوا فعلا 4 elements. طيب عندي بعد كده nx by y means what? Means nx by ny equals nx, the number of elements in x, اللي هو 2, by the number of elements in y, اللي هو كام؟ 3. 2 by 3 equals 6. In this example, we end this lesson, but this lesson we can continue it in the other session. So I will continue this lesson in the other session. Goodbye.